makilala po kayo dyan. Loved ones, friends, if you have with you, please audition na. Habol po tayo. Okay? Habol po tayo sa mga audition, mga mag-audition. Ayan, until later pa naman tayo. So yes, still have time. Okay? Sige lang po, and please approach po our image productions staff and our registration booth so you can register your kids. Okay? And of course, syempre, yung mga, mga Manileños natin, up to until tomorrow po, naka-sale po ang up to 70% off. Syempre, so it's Manila Day. So starting June 21, meron na po tayong 70% off on our items here at SM City, Manila. So habal-habal po tayo until tomorrow na lamang po yan. Alright? So special po yan for our Manila Day tomorrow. Okay, sige, habal pa po tayo. Sa mga gustong mag-audition, we're still waiting for you. Once again, calling all Manileños, it's time to celebrate Manila Day in style at SM City, Manila's Manila Day sale from June 21 until June 24. Enjoy dropping discounts of up to 70% off on a wide range of fantastic finds. Let's make this Manila Day unforgettable together and see you at SM City, Manila. Yes, all right. And of course, for more information, up to, what do you call this? Please, like po ang aming page, SM City, Manila. Ayan, so dyan po namin i-announce lahat ng papasok for the regional finals. Okay? And also, if you wish to see po the photos of your kids who auditioned for today's preliminary screenings, you can also see it po at Image Productions Facebook page. So please like din po ang aming page so you can go check out the photos of your kids. Again, please like SM City Manila for more announcements of our events, ongoing promos, discounts. Ayan, and syempre tomorrow until tomorrow may mga naka-selected items po tayo ng 70% up to 70%. What's your name? Again? What's your name? Jeka? Si Jeka. Okay. Jaika. Alright. Jaika. Jaika, who's with you today? Sinong kasama mo dito sa SM Manila? Anong ginagawa mo rito? Did you eat na? Have you had your lunch?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Sige, what's your talent, sweetheart? What? You're going to sing or going to dance? What? She's going to dance. Sige, tinuruan ka ni Mommy to dance? Mommy taught you to dance? Okay. Get ready, sweetheart. Female participant 172. Favorite color mo? Color pink, tama ba? Hindi! Ako kasi nakita ko yung damit niya. Okay, sige. Can you smile, please? Pwede ka mag-smile. Ayun, you're much prettier with you smiling. What's your name, anak? What's your name?
Snow.
Snow! Wow! Yeah. So white is your favorite color. What is your favorite color?
Purple.
Purple. Perfectly perfect sa outfit niya today. Charing. Okay, joke lang. Sige, pinapatawa lang kita. Are you okay? Are you happy? Okay, very good. Okay, what's your talent? What's your talent, Snow?
Singing and dance.
Oh, she's gonna do a sing and dance performance. Are you ready, Snow? Okay, let's welcome female participant 169.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world.
Hiya, Bobby. Want to go for a ride?
Short hair.
Show me.
I'm a